Yes, sir.
Okay, today we'll continue the sixth house. In sixth house, we will read about the disease.
Okay.
Okay, write down disease, uh, nature of disease and the part of the body. This is the subject of today's class. Nature,
Nature of the disease.
nature of disease and the part of the body. So in this case, we will read the ascendant, and the sixth house will be the primary curse for it. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Houses of disease are 6, 8, and 12. Sixth is the house of ordinary disease. Eighth is the house of serious sickness or the surgery.
Okay, sir.
And 12th is the house of hospitalization and the expenses. Okay, if
Okay.
somebody has to suffer with the disease, his ascendant must get linked with the 6 or 8 or 12.
Okay.
Only then he will face the disease, otherwise not. Then we will
Okay,
check the
sir.
sixth house. And I'm sharing a chart here, and we'll try
So
to find
we have to check first and sixth now, sir. First and sixth.
1 and 6, 1 and 6,
Okay.
1 and 6. Okay, so I have shared a chart here. So we will try to find out. This is an example chart. See the basic data. This is number 1221. Somebody asked from Mr. Khuller which type of disease I will face and what will be the part of the body. Okay. So how you will check it? First of all, while reading the disease in a Cuspal chart, it is slightly different. You note down number 1. You give number 1. Note down the note down the nakshatra rising on the ascendant. Note down the nakshatra or the star rising on the ascendant.
Okay, sir.
Number 2. In this case, you see ascendant is rising in the Libra sign at 21 degrees. Means in the Libra sign at 21 degrees, the nakshatra will be of Vishakha.
Yes.
You can check here also. The cusp one, rising nakshatra
Vishakha.
is Vishakha. So write down in this case, Vishakha nakshatra is rising on the ascendant.
Yes, sir.
Number 3, note down the disease and the body parts of the Vishakha nakshatra. Note down the disease and the body parts of the Vishakha nakshatra. For checking it, we will go to reference. See
Okay.
how we will check the what is the nature of disease and what will be the part of the body. See, we'll go to reference.
Okay.
We'll go to significations.
Okay.
Then go to nakshatra.
Nakshatras.
Okay, in this case, Vishakha nakshatra has risen on the ascendant, so we'll select it.
Okay.
In the right hand side, we will go to the all. Here we'll get the disease of the Vishakha nakshatra and the body parts of the Vishakha nakshatra. See, from here you have to note down the body parts and the diseases given by the Vishakha nakshatra.
Okay.
Okay. Next. Number 4 point is note down the sub-sublord of ascendant. Note down the sub-sublord of the ascendant.
Okay, sir.
In this case, ascendant sub-sublord is Sun.
Yes.
Write down. In this case, ascendant sub-sublord is Sun.
Yes, sir.
Next point, note down the body parts and the diseases given by the Sun. Note down the body parts and the disease given by the Sun. Okay. Again,
Okay.
you will go to the reference, then signification, then you will select the planets. I can show you. In
Yeah,
this,
I can. Yeah, I understood, sir.
okay. So the third point is next, note down the resident position of ascendant subsublord Sun. Note down the resident position of ascendant subsublord Sun. See, in this case, you have to see in the planetary position chart. Sun is posited in the Cancer sign. Write down. In this case, Sun is posited in the Cancer sign. See, Sun is a fiery element, fiery, hot.
Yes.
And Cancer is a watery and the cold. So what will happen? What will be the reaction when water and sun, wet water and heat or the fire meet with each other? See,
The water will win, sir.
water will evaporate and it will take the shape of the boils in the body.
Okay.
Okay, the boils generally when you touch the heat, some hot element, and because our body contains the watery content, so what happens? The boils in the body will occur.
Mm.
Okay,
Mm.
and now you come down to the cuspal interlink astrology. You write down ascendant subsublord is Sun.
Okay,
And
sir.
check in the planetary position chart. Sun is in the star of Saturn,
Okay.
in the sub of Venus, and in the sub of Rahu.
Yes.
Sir, now I have to check whether Saturn is appearing in the disease giving houses 8 or 6. See, Saturn is appearing as the 6th house subsublord.
Yes.
You write down below the Saturn 6. It
Yes.
means ascendant subsublord Sun has involved the house of disease.
Yes.
It means this ascendant will face the disease. Now, Sun is in the sub of
Venus.
Venus. Note down the cuspal positions where Venus is appearing from 1 to 12. See,
So,
Venus is appearing in 1,
1,
2,
2,
next is 3,
3.
4, 5,
Yes.
7, 8, and 10.
Yes.
So, the sublord of ascendant will indicate the part of the body. Note down, these are the part of the body where the disease is likely to suffer. See, we have divided our zodiac into 12 parts.
Okay, sir.
First part of the body indicates the head portion.
Okay.
Second is eyes, ear and nose, mouth. Third is our shoulders and arms. Fourth is chest portion, where heart and lungs. Fifth is liver. Sixth is abdomen portion. Seventh part of the body is our private parts. Eighth is our rectum. Ninth is thighs. 10th is the knees. And 11th part of the body is our shin moon portion, and 12th is the feet. In general, in astrology, these 12 houses has been divided like this.
Okay.
It means this particular ascendant will face the disease, and the disease will occur at first part of the body, second, third, fourth, fifth, seventh, eighth, and the 10th.
Okay.
Whether the disease will be recovered or not, that will be told by the subsublord, the final confirmation planet. What is that?
That is Rahu, sir.
Rahu. And Rahu oblique Jupiter also.
Jupiter.
See, the house of recoveries are 5 and 11.
Yes.
If Rahu appears in 5 and 11, his disease will be recovered.
Okay.
And if Rahu or Jupiter appears in 6, 8 or 12, his disease will not be occurred or not be, what do you say, recovered.
Okay.
Now you check Rahu in 5 and 11. Does Rahu appear in 5 or 11?
No, sir.
See, Rahu is there in 5. It is
5.
part
Yeah. Yeah.
of
Yeah.
house
It is
which
there
was
in 5, sir. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Write down 5 below the Rahu.
Yes.
And now you have to check Rahu in 6, 8 or 12. Does Rahu appear in 6th, 8th or 12th cuspal position or the house?
Rahu is not in 6
Okay. Not in
and
8,
not in 8,
not in
not
12.
in 12.
Okay, no problem. Now Rahu represents Jupiter in this case.
Yes.
Check Jupiter
Jupiter
in
appears in 5.
5 and 11. Jupiter appears in 5 and 11.
Yes.
And check whether Jupiter is appearing in 6, 8 or 12.
In 6 it is there,
Okay.
and in 12 it is there.
Yes, write down 6 and 12. What does it mean, sir? Now this gentleman will have to face the disease permanently
Yes.
because the disease is of the permanent nature. If there is only 5 and 11 at the final confirmation planet, the person will face the disease and he will be recovered. In this case, when 5 and 11 are only 5 is recovered, 5 is available, but yes, 5 and 11 is available, which are the houses of the recovery, but the 6 and 12 is also there,
Yes.
which will not allow him to be recovered fully. So the disease will be of the permanent nature.
Okay.
In such cases, a person will not cured permanently. Oh, sorry. Yes,
Okay.
not cured permanently. His disease will be of the permanent nature.
Okay. Sir, I have a doubt.
Okay.
Sir, actually, suppose if a person wants to know whether that person will be
Yes,
recovered
Monica,
from
मैं
a
5 बजे के
particular
बाद
disease.
बात करता हूँ आपसे. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, जी. Yes, you tell me.
Suppose if a person wants to know
हाँ.
if that person is going to be recovered from a severe disease,
Okay.
then in the subload level,
Hmm.
because suppose if a person is suffering from cancer
Okay, okay.
and that person wants to know whether he will be recovered from cancer,
Okay.
then in that case, should we take in the subload level, should we take the body houses related to the body parts, or should we take only 5, 11, 6, 8 or 12?
See, definitely, sir, if a person is asked, we will take, our next example is related to this only.
Okay.
You wait for some time. Let me
Okay,
finish
sir.
it.
Okay.
The next example is related to the surgery only. Okay, we'll check.
Okay. Okay.
So, in this, in such cases, if at the final confirmation, planet appearing at the 5, 11 along with 6, 8 or 12, the disease will be of the chronic nature. It will be of the permanent nature.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, sir, now come down to the 6th subload. Now write down potential or the promise of the 6th house. Promise of the 6th house.
Yes.
Write down, number 1, note down the nakshatra rising on the 6th cusp. Note down the nakshatra rising on the 6th cusp. In this case, number 2, in this case, see, on 6th cusp, Pisces sign is rising at 26 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Means the last nakshatra will be there, Revati. So write down, in this case, Revati nakshatra will be rising on the 6th cusp. Next point,
Yes, sir.
note down the body part and the disease given by Revati. Note down the body parts and the disease given by the Revati, as we had seen in the case of ascendant. Okay, for knowing it, will go to the reference, then go to the signification, then go to the nakshatras.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. Note down the sub-sublord of 6th house. Note down the sub-sublord of the 6th cusp.
Okay.
In this case, 6th cusp sub-sublord is Saturn. 6th cusp sub-sublord is Saturn.
Okay.
Next, note down the resident position of the Saturn. Just we have done in the case of ascendant.
Okay.
In this case, next point, in this case, Saturn is posited in the Cancer sign. Saturn is also posited in the Cancer sign. Okay, see, this is Saturn. Saturn is posited in the Cancer sign.
Okay.
Now, in this case, the combination will be of air and the water. Saturn is an airy sign and Cancer is a watery sign.
Okay.
So, in the ascendant case, there was a combination of fire and water.
Okay.
In this case, it is a combination of air and water. Sir, what happens when air and water meets? See, why you spread wet cloths in the air? To get them dry up.
Yes.
Correct? Wet cloths
Yes, yes.
are spread in the air just to get them dried up.
Yes.
Sir, what happen if Saturn and Saturn is a Aries sign and it is posted in the watery sign? It means the grease of the body or the lubrication of the body will dry up. See,
Okay.
whenever we have some arthritis type disease in our body, whole of the joints gets dried up.
Yes.
So generally, we'll have to take the injections for the lubrication in the knees or the joints. Arthritis. In arthritis, what happens? The lubrication of the body parts or the joints gets dried up.
Yes.
So from the outsources, we get the injection for the lubrication, etc.
Yes.
In general, I'm just talking. Now,
Yes.
sir, note down next point. The 6th sub-sublord is Saturn. Mark an arrow.
Yes, sir.
Check Saturn is in the star of.
Sir, Saturn is in Mercury star, Ketu
Write
sub.
down. Saturn is in Mercury star, Ketu sub, and Mercury sub sub. Ketu represents Mercury and Sun.
Yes, sir.
Now, sir, you have to check the Mercury. In which cuspal position Mercury is appearing? From 1 to 12. See, Mercury is not in 1, it is appearing in 2.
2.
Then Mercury is appearing in 6.
Yes.
Then Mercury is appearing in 9.
Yes.
Then Mercury is appearing in 10 and 12.
Yes.
Note down, sir, under it, Mercury, you write down these are the parts of the body. See, the parts of the body indicated by ascendant was by the sublord of the ascendant, sub-sublord.
Okay.
In
Okay.
this case, the 6th house sub-sublord, the involvement planet will tell the part of the body. Now, sir, you have to check from the ascendant and the 6th house part of the body, which the common houses are appearing in ascendant and the 6th house, both.
2 is appearing, sir.
2 and 10 also.
2 and 10, yes.
See, it means this person will face the severe disease in the 2nd part of the body and the 10th part of the body. Other parts will be less affected. Okay, ascendant is indicating 2 and 10,
Hmm.
and sixth house is also indicating 2 and 10.
Yes.
Okay, so this
Okay.
gentleman will face the disease in second and the 10th part primarily, and other parts will be less affected.
Okay.
Now, the sublord of the Saturn will tell about the strength, whether it will be recovered or not. If
Okay.
Ketu appears in 6, 8, or 12, it will enhance the disease. Check, does
Okay.
Ketu appear in 6 or 8 or 12?
No, sir.
No. Does Ketu appear in 5 or 11?
5 or 11. No.
No. Now, Ketu represents Mercury and Sun.
Yes.
Similarly, check Mercury in 6, 8, and 12.
Sir, Mercury appears in 6
Okay. Not in 8,
and
but it is in 12.
12.
And does Mercury appear in 5 or 11?
No.
Mercury is nowhere appearing in 5. And Ketu has to offer the result of Sun also.
Yes.
Check Sun in 6, 8, and 12.
Sun is not in 6.
Okay.
Sun is not in 8.
Okay, not
And
in
Sun
12.
is not in 12.
Check Sun in 5 and 11.
11. Sun is appearing in 11.
11 only. So, what does it tell, sir? It also tells about not recovery of the disease fully.
Yes.
And the final confirmation of the sixth house sublord will tell about the finally whether the disease will be recovered or not. And
Okay.
that is Mercury, you see.
Yes.
And Mercury is there in 6 and 12.
12. Yes.
Mercury is nowhere appearing in 1 or 5 or 11.
Yes.
So means his disease will not be recovered fully and permanently. And see, the part of the body appeared are 2 and 10. 10 means the knees. Sir,
Okay.
if arthritis, you get arthritis in your body, it will not be cured. You will have to go for the knee replacement, or you will have to take injections from the outside for the lubrications. And sir, once your eyes get operated, once you start wearing specs, it will never be removed in your lifetime. Or second portfolio is the teeth also. Once your teeth gets removed, it will not reappear again in lifetime.
Yes.
So in such way, you will check it. And you have noted down the disease and the body parts of the nakshatras and the planets. And
Yes.
also what you have to do, you have to find out the common disease and the common body parts in all the nakshatra, in both the nakshatra and both the planets.
Yes. 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 Yes.
According to that, you will narrow down it.
Okay, sir. Sure.
In this case, he will not be recovered fully.
Okay.
This is the way we have made it very simple. Otherwise, it is very difficult to know about the disease and the other things. Any question you want to ask?
No, sir, my question, I have understood, sir. This concept I have clearly understood.
Okay.
So, my question is very simple, sir.
Yes.
That is, suppose if a question wants to know, if a person already the disease is diagnosed.
Yes.
Already the disease is diagnosed, and the disease is a chronic disease, very severe.
Yes.
In that case, should we follow the same procedure that,
Sir,
like, should we?
Definitely, sir. The final confirmation planet will finally tell.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now I'm taking another exercise which is related to the surgery.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let me open the chart. See, sir, this is a question asked by Mr. Khuller himself from me. So he was on the hospital bed on 2nd of February 2016. he went there for the surgery of the prostate surgery, which was to be scheduled on the 3rd of February. One
Okay.
day in advance, he went there for the medical checkups, etc., etc. So from the bed of the hospital, he rang me up. Wait. He rang me up and sir told me, Chani yaar, kindly check. I'm having a prostate surgery tomorrow. And will I recover fully after the prostate surgery? This was the question.
Okay.
Okay. And sir, this was the chart. The number given by Mr. Khullar is 13 number.
Okay.
And see, the question is prostate surgery, recovery from the prostate surgery. Okay. Now we will assess it. See, prostate in male, generally it occurs after the certain age. Means your urinary tract gets stuck. Okay, so you face difficulty in passing the urine.
Frequent urination.
Frequent urination, or it comes out by drop or whatever.
Drop by drop. Yeah, I know.
So there is a surgery which clear the path of the urinary tract. That the urine could be passed out freely. Okay, so
Yes.
the part of the body, 7th house. Our private part, it has to be done on the urinary tract. Okay, so the urinary tract is the 7th part of the body. Correct? And
Yes.
in this case, we will check, first of all, we'll check the genuineness of this query. See, this query is related to the surgery and from recovery from the surgery. Means we will check moon or star lord in 5 and 11 or in the 8th house.
Okay.
Kindly check yourself where moon is appearing.
Sir, moon is appearing in 5.
Okay. See, moon is there in 5.
And moon is there in 11 also.
Moon is there in 11. Moon is the resident of the
8th house.
Now,
Surgery.
what is the moon star?
Saturn.
Where Saturn is posited?
8th house.
See, this is called the genuineness. And see, Saturn is also appearing in 5 and 11.
Yes.
See, this question was asked by the developer of this theory, the inventor of this theory. See, he had a strong urge. Only, sir, he was admitted in the morning time and he called in the evening. It means when a strong urge appeared in his mind, only then he questioned me. And sir, see, moon is the resident of the 8th house and moon star is Saturn. That too is the resident of the 8th house. And moon is appearing in 5 and Saturn is also appearing in 5. Moon is appearing in 11 and Saturn is also appearing in 11.
11.
Such type of the genuineness must appear. So what do you say? Is this question genuine or not? Very much genuine. Correct, sir?
Yes.
Now,
Yes, sir.
we will check ascendant and the 8th.
Okay.
Whether it indicates the recovery from the surgery or not. What is the sub-sublord of the ascendant?
Ascendant sub-sublord is Mars, sir.
Write down Mars. Mark an arrow. Mars is in the star of?
Sir, Mars is in the star of Jupiter.
Jupiter, Rahu.
Yes.
And Rahu oblique Sun.
Yes.
Now, sir, I will check Jupiter in 6 or 8. Preferably in the 8th. Does Jupiter appears in 6 or 8?
Sir, Jupiter is appearing in 6.
Not in 8.
Not in 8.
Write down 6.
Yes.
And see, Mars is having the positional status.
Yes.
And Mars is appearing in 8.
Yes.
Write down 8. So Mars and Jupiter, what do you say? The involvement is of the 8th house.
Yes.
The commitment planet is Jupiter. Jupiter is there
Yes.
in 7th, which is the part of the body.
Yes.
Involving 8, committing to 7.
Yes.
We are not checking other parts because the question is specified.
Specified. Yes.
Okay, so involving 8, committing to 7 means surgery in the 7th part of the body. Whether the surgery, the patient will be recovered from the surgery or not, that will be told by the Rahu, the sub-sublord.
Yes.
Kindly check, does Rahu appear in 6, 8 or 12?
Rahu not in 6.
Okay,
Sir, Rahu appears in 6 actually.
write down, write down. Sir, Rahu is there in 6 with positional status. It is the resident.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And check Rahu in 5 or 11.
Rahu is not in 5
Okay,
and Rahu is not in 11.
okay. Now Rahu has to offer the result of Sun also.
Sun also.
Kindly check Sun. Does Sun appear in 5 or 11?
Sun is not in 5
Okay,
and Sun is there in 11.
write down. And check Sun in 6 or 8 or 12.
Sun is in 6
Okay,
and Sun is not in 8 and
okay. Sir, what do you say? What is the promise of ascendant? Will he recover fully?
he will not recover fully, sir.
Yes, because Rahu is very strongly appearing in 6
6.
and Rahu is not appearing in 5 or 11. Rahu as the Sun is appearing in 11.
Yes.
So ascendant is not indicating the full recovery.
Yes.
Now we will check the 8th house sub-sublord, which is the house of surgery.
Yes.
Write down. Which is the 8th house sub-sublord?
Sir, 8th house sub-sublord is Mercury.
Write down Mercury. Mark an arrow, sir. Mercury is in the star of Venus.
Venus.
Sub of Mercury and sub of Mercury.
Yes.
Now 8th house sub-sublord has to involve the 7th house where the surgery is to be performed.
Okay.
So Venus is there in 7.
Yes.
Write down. It does
Yes,
mean
sir.
8th house sub-sublord has involved the 7th part, as we have done
Yes.
in the previous exercise. So it has involved the relevant house.
Yes, sir.
Whether the surgery will be recovered or not, that will be told by the Mercury, which is the sub and
Mercury.
sub-sublord, fortunately or unfortunately, whatever. Now you see, Mercury is there in 5 and 11.
Yes.
Okay, but
Hmm.
Mercury is strongly appearing in 6 and 8.
In 6 and 8.
Write down. Sir, what do you see? Does it indicate the recovery from the surgery?
No full recovery, sir.
Not full recovery. Correct. Now, sir, one more house we have to read it. 11th. 11th sub-sublord is Sun.
Yes, sir.
Mark an arrow, sir. Sun is in Moon, Mercury, Rahu. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Moon is there in 8, sir. It
Yes,
the
sir.
11th house sub-sublord has involved the house of surgery.
Yes.
Okay, and Sun is in the sub of Mercury. Mercury is there in 7 also.
Yes.
Mercury is there in 5, 11. Mercury is there in 6 and 8.
Yes.
And final confirmation is by Rahu.
Okay.
Rahu, we have already seen, it is appearing in 6. And Rahu as the Sun is appearing in 11.
No.
Okay. Wait.
Okay, sir.
हेलो, मैं यार 5 बजे तक क्लास में हूँ. ओके 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 मिस्टर राहुल.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Yes,
what
sir.
do you say? Will the patient recovered fully?
No, sir.
No, sir. Sir, this was the promise of this horoscope. When I checked it, when I constructed the chart, I called Mr. Khuller. Sir, the linkages are not very good. Okay, you read me out. So I read all the linkages. So he said, yeah, the linkages, really the linkages are not good. Now, what is the now what he can do? If he asks, if a person asked before admitting in the hospital, so it can be said by you need not to go to the hospital at this moment because the linkages are not good. You
Good.
postpone your surgery. But he
Okay.
was on the bed of the hospital. He cannot run away from it. So ultimately, sir, now this is a proved horary, because exactly 5 years have been gone. This question was asked on 2nd of the February 2016 by the inventor of this theory. And now it is 5 years. Sir, he yesterday only, yesterday, day before yesterday, his birthday was there. So I went there, he called me. So, sir, now this horror is proved. So far, he has not recovered fully.
Fully recovered.
His see, he has got no control over his urine for the last 5 years. Okay, sir. So that is why he doesn't go anywhere or he doesn't take any class. This is the reason. Now this is proved, sir. 5 years is not a less time. Okay, so horror is such a wonderful tool. It is very strong tool, sir.
Understood.
Okay, so this way you will check. See, suppose a person is admitted in the ICU of a hospital and somebody calls, sir, will the person survive or not? Will he recover or not? This is the way only. And for the survival, in the next class, I will take the 8th house, will continue the 8th house. And in that case, it is a long lecture. So I will have to take in the next class.
Yes.
Okay.
Sure, sir.
Okay.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Rahul.